Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best kids ATVs available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium ride-on toy, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the large ATV toy with trailer Dinosaur transport truck from Veagger. This toy is perfect for kids who love dinosaurs and imaginative play. It features a T-Rex dinosaur figure, a transporter with a realistic fold-down ramp, and friction-powered movement for a fun, hands-on experience. The light and sound effects add another layer of excitement, making it a great option for kids aged 3 and up. In terms of design, this toy is made from durable plastic with rubber tires, ensuring long-lasting play. At 15 inches long, it's large enough to make an impression, but still easy to handle for little hands. The bright green transporter and detailed dinosaur design are visually engaging, and the friction-powered mechanism means no batteries are needed for basic movement, although it does include batteries for the lights and sounds. While this toy offers great value at just $22.90, it does have some limitations. The light and sound effects are fun, but they may not be as durable as the rest of the toy. Additionally, the playset is more geared toward younger kids, so older children might find it less engaging. Overall, though, it's a solid pick for younger dinosaur enthusiasts who love hands-on play. Pros: affordable, engaging dino theme, durable build. Cons: light and sound effects could be more robust. At number 4, we have another fantastic product from Veagger, the large ATV toy with trailer and speedboat playset. This 2-in-1 toy brings double the fun with a detachable trailer that carries a speedboat, making it perfect for kids who enjoy variety in their play. The fold-down ramp on the trailer adds to the realism, and the push-and-go friction-powered mechanism ensures that kids stay entertained without the need for constant adult assistance. In terms of build quality, the toy is crafted from high-quality plastic with rubber tires, providing a sturdy and durable design. Measuring 14.5 inches long, it's a great size for interactive play indoors or outdoors. The blue color scheme is vibrant and appealing, while the light and sound effects enhance the overall experience. It's lightweight enough for easy handling, but robust enough to withstand rough play. For $30.99, this toy offers great value, especially since it combines 2 vehicles in one playset. However, the light and sound effects are powered by batteries, which may need replacement over time. Additionally, while it's durable, it may not hold up to very heavy use. Still, it's an excellent choice for kids aged 3 and up who love vehicles and imaginative adventures. Pros: 2 toys in 1, durable build, engaging features. Cons: battery-powered effects might require maintenance. Taking the 3rd spot is the kids' bike helmet with gloves from Veagger. While not an ATV itself, this product is an essential accessory for young riders looking to stay safe while using their ATVs or bicycles. Designed for ages 3 to 6, it features an impact-resistant ABS shell with EPS foam lining for outstanding protection. The adjustable fit system ensures a snug, comfortable fit, and the detachable visor offers added sun protection. The design is both functional and stylish, with a vibrant pink color scheme that kids will love. The helmet also includes multiple ventilation holes to keep your child cool during play. The included gloves are a thoughtful bonus, providing extra hand protection during outdoor adventures. This helmet meets DOT and FMVSS 218 safety standards, which is a big plus for parents prioritizing safety. Priced at $38.88, this product offers excellent value for safety-conscious families. However, it's not a toy, so its appeal is limited to its practical use. If you're looking to pair an ATV purchase with protective gear, this is a fantastic option. Pros: high safety standards, adjustable fit, includes gloves. Cons: not a toy, limited to safety applications. A runner-up is the budget-friendly Riders Rescue ATV vehicle from Paw Patrol. At just $19.99, this toy is perfect for fans of the popular Paw Patrol series. It features a collectible rider figure in his signature uniform, along with a detailed ATV vehicle with working wheels. It's compact and lightweight, making it great for on-the-go adventures. The design is simple but effective, with high-quality plastic construction that can withstand regular play. The bright colors and authentic detailing make it an excellent replica of the vehicle from the show, sparking imaginative play. Kids can recreate rescue missions or come up with their own adventures, making this a versatile toy for creative minds. While it's a fantastic value, the toy is relatively small and doesn't include additional features like lights or sounds. It's best suited for younger kids aged 3 to 6 who are fans of Paw Patrol. For the price, it's hard to beat this toy's combination of quality and fun. Pros: affordable, lightweight, perfect for Paw Patrol fans. Cons: limited features, smaller size. Finally, at the top of our list is the 12-volt ATV ride-on toy from Barbie. This premium product offers an exciting, realistic riding experience that's perfect for adventurous kids aged 3 and up. With a vibrant pink design and Barbie branding, it's a favorite for young fans of the iconic brand. The 12-volt motor delivers just the right amount of speed for a thrilling but safe ride. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials designed to withstand outdoor conditions. The ride-on ATV is spacious and comfortable, allowing kids to enjoy extended play sessions. It encourages imaginative play, as children can create their own stories and adventures while cruising around in style. The controls are intuitive, making it easy for kids to pick up and start riding. At $169.99, this is the most expensive product on our list, but the quality, features, and sheer fun it offers make it worth the investment. It's ideal for parents looking to give their child a standout gift that will provide hours of entertainment. Pros: realistic riding experience, durable build, stylish design. Cons: high price point, heavier weight, may require adult assistance for transport. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.